Parto friends! Hello, good morning! Lilipit ako South Korea, salute! This is South Korea today! American friends! March 18, 2025! Oh my God! American friends! Do you know this place? You know this place very well! You work here for 10 years! I miss you all! Yeah, friends, I have lots of American friends in South Korea. They are working in this place for 10 years. And we work together. We talk together for 10 years. You know, friends, friends, my American friends is very, very, very nice. Very kind to me. Yeah. You know, when my English is become tumbling, my American friends did not laugh at all. They helped me to finish my long story, and they never laugh at all. They are so nice, no? I learn a lot from them, actually. We eat in the restaurant, we go somewhere. we run in every situation. Especially when we are late, no? Yeah. Mag-enjoy lang kayo, ha? Because I'm driving lang, ha? I hope na walang black ice. Kasi last time, friends, muntik talaga, friends. Nung nag-drive ako last time, muntik talaga. Pumunta na ako sa kabilang lane, friends. Nagsayaw-sayaw na yung car ko. My car was dancing because of the black ice, and I went there in other lane. American friends. But thankfully, there's no car at all, so I'm safe. My God, so scary to drive, friends. Scary to drive in the snow. But that time, lots of snow. I think last month. Yeah, in South Korea, did you see? Oh my God, snowy day. In South Korea, if you want to visit South Korea and want to experience the snow, American friends, you have to go here. Oh my God, madulas. January, February. That 2 months. That 2 months is very snowy. No, the road is very scary. Am I right, American friends? May kalaban tayo, natin na pa, bilis nyo, oh. Lumipad ka na! Ba't nandun sila, no? Teka lang. Natin na pa! It's hard to drive, dong. Hindi pwede, dong. Hindi kita pwedeng paunahin. Truck ka eh. Natin na pa, gusto mo muna, oh. Kailangan kong mabilis eh. Dong, hindi tayo pwedeng mabilis, dong. May kalaban tayo, truck, oh. Mabagal-bagal pa man yan sila. Pero mabilis siya, oh. Takot akong magbilis eh. Kasi baka, Diyos ko. Mag-enjoy ba kayo? Bakit nasa right side siya? Nakatakot naman to. Sundan natin siya. Kasi maganda rin sa right side ba? Kasi pag sumimplang yung sa kabila, meron kang space, pero parang it's a kind of scary ba? Parang there's I don't know. I'm not sure if there is black ice. Pero nilalagyan naman nila ng asin. American friends, they put ice, they sprinkle salt on the road during winter time because it's dong di kita pwedeng paunahin, or gusto mo umuna lang, mag-overtake pa tayo dun sa truck, oh shit, bakit bagal nila? Kung muna dong, mauna ako dong. May truck doon, hindi tayo maka-overtake, friends eh. Shit. Teka lang. So scary, friends, na? Did you scared? You're only watching, did you scared? I'm driving, I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. If you scared, you cannot work. Friends, nasanay na lang ako na mag-drive ng may snow. But I'm very glad na di siya naka-overtake, no? The truck can't overtake us because I don't like him to overtake. English is good, but we need cash. This is very, very scary, friends, in all the road in my place. Even you don't sipa-sipa the gasoline, your car run 120, 200 in this place because this is very maturek. Do you know what is maturek? I don't know in English the maturek. Very, very high mountain like that. My gosh, magbabay na tayo kasi di na the road is very clean, American friends. Bye-bye, nilipit ang suot ko yan, salot. Shit, di natin mapatay ang ating camera.